Hi everyone, welcome to the Seeds We Leave Behind. We're going to be doing a special challenge soon that's been cooking for a while. I came up with this idea a long time ago, just never had the chance to try it until now. So the idea is basically everybody and their mother's already played Pokemon, we already know it, but I don't think anyone's played it this way. So I took the entirety of Kanto, overlaid it over Bridgeport, which is a town that I live. It also bleeds into Stratford, but as you see, I try to keep everything as clean and close as possible. Pallet Town's over at Norman, Viridian's over at Madison, Cinnabar, it's down in Seaside Beach. I try to keep the water where the water is for the most part. So as you see, we got Water Point here where Cinnabar is in Seaside, and then over here at Seaview we also got some water. So it's kind of lucked out where we got these two little water channels. Wherever we go in game, we have to basically go in the railroad. So we start off with Pallet Town. We have to work our way up to Madison Ave and State Street Extension. That's where Viridian City will be. And then, for example, when we have to bring Oak's Parcel, then we have to walk it all the way back down. So keeping the game and the railroad in sync. Won't be any fast travels, no skips. We're going to basically walk it all out. So it's a lot of ground to cover. Definitely interested. Definitely has been a long time coming. It's going to be probably one of the hardest challenges I've ever done. At the same time, it's also winter, so I'm not going to lie, it's pretty cold out here. So instead of having the camera over here, I've also found out that if I put the camera on the player, then wherever the player goes, we basically stay. So we could replace the player, and then like everything's still usable as well for the most part. Only time it looks weird is just when you go into like a battle for the most part, but other than that, everything's still the same. You can still talk. Say if there's something on screen, I could just point over like, hey, look at her, or look, there's a stairs right there. Speaking of which, don't know if you can see, but we're right on Ash Street, which coincidentally enough. But if there's something that you're interested in, definitely subscribe, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. Also, what's your favorite Generation 1 Pokemon? Mine was Vaporeon back in the day. I recently played Let's Go Pikachu, and Butterfree led my team for the first time. I never really used Butterfree before, but to be honest, Butterfree got a little bit of spunk in him. But I'm probably going to end it right here for the most part. Just drop a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.